Hi everyone! I started a new channel for ASMR videos and I'll tell you why I did it in this video. But first, here's the short version. If you're noticing videos disappearing from this channel, it's because I'm moving most of the ASMR videos onto the new channel and then setting them unlisted on this channel. Or maybe editing the videos black or even deleting some of them if I have to. But you'll be able to find them on the new channel and also through playlists on this channel. Now the longer version. Here's why I did it and how. I made the first ASMR video on this channel 3 years ago in August 2016 just to try it out. It was a pastel coloring video. I continued making a few ASMR videos here and there, sprinkled in with my other art videos. But when I started posting about half and half between art and ASMR, I started thinking whether I should actually divide these into 2 separate channels. 8 months ago, in January, I even made a video where I was talking about making a second channel. And I was also asking what I should do, and I did get some advice saying to divide these into 2 different channels. I know some of you like to watch both the non-talking ASMR videos as well as my speed painting and tutorial videos with voiceover, but there are also people who want to see just one of those things and not the other. Some people want to watch the art content but don't get ASMR or find it slow-paced and boring. I even got a comment once saying that it sounds like nails on a chalkboard. And on the other hand, people who watch for the ASMR aren't necessarily getting anything out of the sped up voiceover videos. So dividing those videos into 2 different channels makes it easy to follow just one of them. But of course, if you like both, you can subscribe to both of the channels, which would be great since I'm starting from 0 with the new channel. And I'm expecting this channel to take a hit at first as well, when people who subscribed for the ASMR notice that I'm not posting ASMR here anymore and then unsubscribe. In the long term, however, I'm hoping that this will benefit both channels since they're more niche now. Even though all the videos were art related, the reasons to watch them, the values they're intended to give were different. The sped up art videos with voiceover are meant to share tips for creating your own art, and the real-time ASMR art videos are meant to help you relax. But anyway, I wasn't ready to do it then in January. I knew if I'd divide them into 2 channels, I'd keep the art content here and make a new channel for ASMR, since most of the views and revenue on this channel are coming from the non-ASMR content. But around Christmas time, after I made the voiceover for that video, one of my ASMR videos went off the charts for a couple of weeks. Nothing like any of my other videos, and it didn't make sense to stop posting ASMR on this channel at that point. Then later in the spring, I think in March, I took part in GB ASMR's huge collab video and got new traffic and a few hundred new subscribers through that once her video went live. So it still didn't feel like a good time. But now I want to do it. I have a clearer picture of what I want to do with this channel, and the ASMR videos don't really fit in. But I still want to keep making them. I like that I have different processes for the ASMR and the voiceover videos, and sometimes prefer making one and sometimes the other. I just won't put them all in the same place anymore. This will also allow me to include a wider variety of topics on the ASMR channel that wouldn't fit on the art channel. I've been wanting to post things like nature sounds or filming gear unboxings, but I know they wouldn't make sense on an art channel. So I'm not confined to making only ASMR drawing and painting videos, but I can post other things every once in a while, even though it will mostly still be art ASMR. I'm trying not to completely delete the old videos, since I don't want to lose your comments or the analytics. But at the same time, if or when I reach the YouTube partner program threshold on the new channel, which is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time hours. I want to be able to monetize the ASMR channel too. And re-uploaded content is against the rules, so I do have to get rid of those videos somehow on this channel. I won't move all of the videos though, since some of them are still getting hundreds of views per month, so I'll use those as a gateway where I link to the new channel and hopefully can direct some of the existing traffic over there. I'm planning to move the old videos so that I'm posting multiple times a week on the new channel at first, maybe 3 times a week on Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, till I run out of old videos and probably switch to posting once a week after that. I'll also mix in new videos while I'm still reposting the old ones, so that there's some new content as well. I have a few new things filmed and some videos that I had already edited but never published on this channel. I made this decision about 4 weeks ago after posting my last ASMR video here, and then I started researching how moving the videos over there is going to work. It was a pretty sudden decision, but I had already started feeling uncomfortable with posting ASMR on this channel for a few reasons. One of them is that I use this channel in my portfolio for my video editing and video production, and sometimes I'm in a job interview and they check out the channel there, and one time, for some reason, they clicked on videos that didn't really require much editing other than cutting, like most of the ASMR videos, and I was cringing internally. Not because I think the videos are bad, but because I know a lot of people still don't know what ASMR is, for one thing, and also those videos aren't technically that interesting. This is also the reason I got rid of my old channel trailer, by the way. Having to watch other people watch it in a job interview once made me realize I had to remove that trailer. It was so outdated. Another reason is the YouTube algorithm. I'm trying to have a channel where you can come for one reason and all of the videos on the channel fulfill that need or are intended for the same type of viewer, and therefore make the content do better in the long term. And also for the comments from people who enjoy the art content but not the ASMR. Just many small reasons building up to making me want to separate these two things. I also wanted to quickly mention how I'm doing the moving of the videos in case someone else needs tips on how to do it. I started by going to my analytics and looking through each ASMR video, dividing them into 3 groups. The videos that are not getting views anymore and can be moved just fine. The videos that are still getting a lot of views and cannot be moved without hurting the current channel. And then videos in between that I need to make a decision on one by one. I actually made myself a to-do list on all the things I needed to do, like make the channel, make the social media accounts, add the channel to my Amazon affiliate account so I can continue using Amazon affiliate links there too, editing the banner and the icon, downloading the old descriptions from YouTube through Google Takeout to make sure I have them saved, making a channel trailer, fixing the cards, end screens and playlists to link to the re-uploaded videos, that kind of thing. I took a few weeks to re-edit the old videos and upload them to the new channel. I don't think there's a way to automatically transfer them unless you want to move the whole channel and delete the old channel, but that's a different scenario. I wanted to keep both of them. I wanted to re-upload the videos but without them looking like re-uploads and without getting declined from joining the YouTube partner program eventually. So I added a new end slate to all the videos and made them a few seconds longer. I also changed the intro title in some cases and added an Instagram username overlay to the videos. What helps with the re-editing is either keeping the original video clips and the program files from your video editing software, which I know not everyone wants to do, since it takes up a lot of space, but I have multiple external hard drives to do that. Or when you're editing your video in the first place, render 2 versions of it. the final version with titles and overlays and end slates, and another version with nothing but the video itself, no overlays, so you can later add things onto it or repurpose it for different platforms. I edit in HitFilm, where you can batch render videos and you can even keep editing a video while rendering others. I started uploading them onto the new channel and I changed the settings so that they're uploaded as private videos at first, and when I'm ready I can schedule them to be published in regular intervals. I might even try premiering some of them, but we'll see. I tried it a few times on this channel and it didn't really do anything for the videos long term. You can also batch upload videos, at least in the classic YouTube studio, which I found very helpful. I would set a bunch of videos to upload at night while I was sleeping. That was a huge ramble, but the next video will be a normal one again. And if you like ASMR, go check out the new channel. The link will be somewhere on the video and below in the description and in the comments. I have a few videos up already, including a new diamond painting one. Thanks for watching. Bye!